So we know that she's just scared, just like the rest of them, and that makes us all less safe.
Why do you think Tulsi Gabbard didn't just say, I agree with the president's assessment that it's an imminent threat?
Because she knows it would be lying, and then she would be fired. Remember, let's look back at any case that anybody said something different to Donald Trump's narrative of any particular issue. When it came to Tren de Agua and that Maduro was directing them, an intelligence analyst said, no, that's not true. There's no evidence. What happened to that person? They got fired. Then there was a report about Midnight Hammer that went after the nuclear facilities, and Trump said it was obliterated. Well, the individual said, no, it was only set back a few weeks or a few months. What happened to that person? They got fired. And then when they don't get fired and say they resign on their own, all of a sudden they're getting investigated by the DOJ. If they can't call it the way they see it, the way the intelligence backs up what is possible, what can happen, that makes us all less safe.